Hello everyone, I'm Isabel, I'm 17 years old and I'm from Portugal and I'm at the European Space Agency in the Climate Detectives event.
So it's the first time that we organize such a big event about climate detectives, and we invited here talented students from all over Europe, and we were so impressed by the level of these students.
Our project deals with the influence of climate changes in the productivity cycle of the grapevine, and we use temperature data, precipitation data.
Our project was about the air pollution in Slovakia and more specifically in cities in Košice and near Košice.
Hi, we are from Frascati in Ireland. Seamus, Dylan and Sen our names, and we're all 16.
We're doing our project about the air quality around our school, CBS Frascati.
I had fun because we had to do an experience like this one. We had to put water with acid and we had to put plastic inside, and we looked at the degradation of the plastic in the water. We saw that if more of the ocean is acid, faster the plastic is in the degradation.
We got to ask the experts some climate change related questions, and it has been really knowledgeable so far.
We've learned a lot about physics, and also that team working could be really fun most of the times.
Analyzing the data was really a fun part because all of us had to team up and work together, and it was really a good experience to learn something new about even people and how it would affect the environment in the future.
In the Climate Detectives event, we did a workshop on sensors where we got to work with them hands-on, and it was really fun.
They learned so much about pollutants that occur in the air. It was great for their confidence, for their knowledge. Getting outside the classroom, I would definitely recommend it for any teacher to take this project on. It was great fun.
It was really not hard for the students to engage in this project because they have heard about the climate change and the climate impacts. They got a lot of soft skills, especially because they have to be communicating here now with the foreigners. They have to go around, ask questions, explain their own project. They learn to defend their project.